Welcome to the IATSE Local Data Tracker, built to track membership, work, and financial data. This specially developed solution is called Shadow. Shadow was created with the FileMaker platform and can be run on a Mac or PC. To gain access, first, download and install the FileMaker application. Note that FileMaker requires a separately purchased license key for each computer on which you install the application. Second, enter and save the host URL in order to connect to Shadow. And finally, securely log in to your local's customized database. Shadow is hosted in the cloud and can be accessed from any place with an internet connection at any time. It is protected by an SSL certificate and the data is backed up nightly. Shadow was designed by Locals 479 and 491 to document data that conforms with the IA structure and meets the obligations of the Department of Labor. Its fundamental purpose is to track the life cycle of your membership, from application to retirement, as well as manage other contacts working in your jurisdiction. The Contacts Console records individual contact details, market and skills data, availability, IA cards, and stamps, and even allows you to upload associated documents. Shadow uses the IA membership status labels to drive each contact in or out of your local's membership. Lastly, it contains tabs to record charges and payments, providing the ability to keep a running statement of transactions for each contact. This also allows for a detailed accounting of funds coming into your local, separate from your banking records. If your local collects a work dues assessment, the ability to track those payments is imperative. The Assessments Paid tab is one of the best features Shadow offers. It stores all of the work dues payments and payroll deductions for each contact and organizes them by project name and week ending date. Processes built into Shadow automatically migrate funds to this tab, both when a contact makes an assessment payment directly to the local and when a payroll company sends a summary check to your local for a collection of payroll deductions. The Projects Console tracks the work in your jurisdiction. When a new job begins, add it to your database and fill in the details. Tag crew from the Contacts Console to the project to create the selected crew list. Then, when your local receives a dues check from a payroll company, you can deposit that check to your bank immediately and use the attached payroll report to allocate those funds in Shadow to the tagged crew members at your convenience. The Projects Console also provides areas to record significant production contact information, keep notes about the project, and upload documents. The Deposit Slips console allows you to reconcile the payments recorded into Shadow with the payments deposited to your bank account. Every payment entered into Shadow appears in the section called Undeposited Funds. When you transfer an undeposited payment in Shadow to a deposit slip that mirrors the actual deposit made to your bank, you ensure that all funds paid to your local are accounted for. Shadow's ability to generate reports is another great feature. There are over 40 different built-in reports available and can be divided into 3 main categories. First, reports to help locals provide data to the IA, such as the quarterly report and member address list. Second, reports to help track local-specific information, such as the Payments Collected Report, the Voting Eligibility Report, and the Stamp Reconciliation Report. And finally, reports that directly assist your membership, like the Availability List, Special Skills and Special Certifications lists, and more. All of these built-in reports are generated via search filters that you control, ensuring that you receive the data you're looking for. The Admin Console is the brain of Shadow. This console contains all of the settings that are available to adjust Shadow to meet your local's specific database needs. The data entered into the value lists in the Admin Console migrates into fields throughout the rest of the solution, from what departments and crafts your local covers, all the way to what types of credit cards your local accepts for payments. It's here that you can control which users have access to your database and at what permission level, as well as allowing you to specify the types of charges your members pay, such as assessments or quarterly stamp dues, and any other charges that may be unique to your local. There are reports and tasks also located here that local secretaries and treasurers find particularly useful, such as tasks that automatically charge your local's quarterly stamp dues, or can email or print invoices and statements for your entire membership, and much, much more. When deciding if Shadow is right for your local, keep in mind the 3 C's that best describe this solution. Shadow is a comprehensive solution that provides a clear assessment of the overall state of your local. It was built to track all of your contacts and projects and provide a level of financial tracking. While it does not replace QuickBooks or similar financial software, Shadow can be used in conjunction with these accounting systems to reconcile your financial accounts. Shadow is customizable, so each local is able to see and track precisely what is important to them. It was developed to allow for maximum flexibility of data recording and reporting. Finally, Shadow offers easy and convenient data storage and accessibility. It is both simple to use and maintains all aspects of your local's data in one safe place. This video provides just a glimpse of Shadow's many capabilities. For more information about this solution and how to get your local involved, please contact either Andrew Oyas at Local 491 or Michael Akins at Local 479, and they will put you in contact with the Shadow Administrator.